Hello, welcome back to my channel Chal Chakra. Hope you are doing great. In this video, I'm going to share the effect of the solar eclipse that is going to take place on 29th of March, how it is going to affect each moon sign, what all things that you need to be taken care of. Along with that, I'm going to share you the remedies that you should do to overcome the challenges that you may face because of the solar eclipse. If you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. So this time the solar eclipse is going to take place on 29th of March between 2:20 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. This solar eclipse is not visible in India, so the rules and regulations will not be applicable for the people who are living in India, but it is seen in other part of the country. So for them, the rules and regulations, they need to follow the rules and regulation. So what all things that you should do during this time is that whenever any type of eclipse take place, this is the best time to remove the past life karmic blockages. So if it's possible, then during the solar eclipse, as per your country where you are living, you can check the description. I have mentioned the timing for each country when the solar eclipse is going to take place. During that time, you have to do the mantra chanting. Best mantra which you can do during this time is that keep on chanting Ram, 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 Ram. As much as you chant Ram during this time, this will help you out to remove your past life karmic blockages. Along with this, if possible, then try to do the Hanuman Chalisa. If you're facing lot of problems in your life, nothing is working in your life, then the best is during the solar eclipse, if you chant Hanuman Chalisa 100 times, this will help you out to remove the karmic blockages, and you are going to see a lot of improvement in your life, marriage wise, finances wise, career wise, as well as health wise. So I need to guide you that what are things that you need to take care of during this time. First, you need to understand that this time solar eclipse is going to take place in the Pisces zodiac sign. Pisces zodiac sign is connected to the water element. So for the cities, state which are nearby the water bodies, there is a possibility of getting any type of disaster, or they are going to face more problem during this time. Being it is going to affect the water element which is connected to the relationship also, because of the solar eclipse, natives may face problem in their relationship, in their marriage life, in their love relationship, as well as relationship with others also, like with the bosses, with the family members, with the relatives and the friends too. This will not be so great time health wise also. You need to be little bit conscious. The effect of the solar eclipse will be shown in natives life for coming 30 to 45 days. So to overcome the challenges, you should do the remedies that I'm going to share you at the end of this particular video. For the Aries people, this particular solar eclipse would not be so great for you. There is a high possibility of a sudden unexpected change of a place, sudden expenditure. You need to keep an eye on your expenditure. Health wise, this will not be so great time. You need to take care of your health, and don't take your health for granted during this time. You need to take care of your mental health also. Without any reason, you will be having a pressure in your mind, and make sure you are not taking your job for granted, or you are not taking any impulsive decisions related to the career during this time. It is not advisable for you to take any impulsive decision related to your business, or try to avoid making any type of investment also during this time. For Aries people, the result of this particular transit will not be so great. To overcome the challenges or to decrease the intensity of the problem you may face, you should chant Hanuman Chalisa 3 times daily continuously for 45 days. This will help you out to overcome the karmic blockages and will help you out to balance the energy. Is a Taurus. For the Taurus people, this will be a great time for you. The solar eclipse will be having a positive effect on your life. Any pending task which is pending since long, you are facing obstacles, challenges to complete it, then try to complete the same within 30 to 45 days. There is a high possibility you will be able to complete the same. Career wise, you are going to see the success. If your promotion is due, there is a high possibility you will be getting the promoted. This is great time for the financial gains. If you are into a business, there is a high possibility you getting some sudden financial gains also during this time. This is a great time for the socializing. If you are going to socialize during this time, you may get some positive opportunity from there. You may start a new career during this time. You may start a new business during this time. There is a high possibility of a change of a job, and this particular change of a job will be beneficial for you. So in a short term, I can say that this is a time for the manifestation for you. Start manifesting for you. start manifesting. There is a very high possibility your manifestation will come true during this time. To enhance your luck more during this time, try to donate jaggery to the needy on the day of the transit, that is on 29th of March, or for coming 45 days, every Sunday, try to donate jaggery. This will help you. As a Gemini, for Gemini people, this particular solar eclipse will be beneficial for you. There is a high possibility of the career success. You're going to see the growth in your career. There's a high possibility of a change of a career, and there is a high possibility of a change of a job also. And this particular change will be beneficial for you. If you're in a business, then there's a high possibility of a new start of a business, and whatever you're going to start doing this time, that you are going to get the success. So this particular solar eclipse will be beneficial for you. So make sure that during this time you are going to put more hard work, and your hard work will start it paying off. To overcome the challenges, try to donate the red cloth to the needy on the day of the transit, or every Sunday you can donate the red cloth. This will help you out. Cancer, this particular solar eclipse energy will not be so great for you. Career wise, you need to be conscious. This is not so great time to change the job. You need to be conscious. You may feel a pressure in your career due to which you may urge to change the job, but this is not a right time to change the job. You should wait for the right time to change the job. This will not be so great time health wise. You need to take care of your own health as well as the health of your family member too. During this time, you may face a problem with your bosses. Relationship wise, you may face a problem. Relationship with your bosses will be impacted during this time. You need to be little bit calmer during this time. That is the best advice which I can give it to you. To overcome the challenges, make sure that every Sunday you are donating jaggery to the needy. This will help you out to overcome. For Leo people, this particular solar eclipse energy will not be so great for you. You may face problem in your career, unidentified or unexpected pressure in your career, due to which you may feel like urge to change the job or leave the job, but it's not a right time to change the job. You should wait for the right time. This will not be so great time mental health wise too. You need to take care of your mental health as well as you need to take care of overall health also. It has been noticed that during this time you may feel isolated, you may feel guilt about the things that may happen in the past, and you may think a lot about your past. To overcome the challenges, make sure that you are donating jaggery to the needy every Sunday, and make sure after the solar eclipse you are donating the jaggery. This will help you out. Virgo native, this will not be so great time for you. You need to be conscious in your career, taking any decisions related to the finances. If you're married, then you may face problem in your marriage too because of the ego clashes. You need to be conscious in your love relationship too during this time. This will not be so great time for you, so try a little bit calmer. Try to work on yourself, do the self-introspection, do meditation during the solar eclipse, and if possible, then try to chant Ram during this time. If you chant Ram during this time for 24 minutes on the basis of the place where you are living, this will help you out to overcome the karmic blockages. For Libra native, this is a good time. You are able to overcome the challenges which you are facing right now. If any of your work is stuck during this time, try to do it. There is a high possibility you will be able to complete it successfully. You are going to see the improvement in your health and overall well-being too. To overcome the challenges, make sure that on the day of the transit, you are donating red color cloth. This will help you out. Scorpio, this will not be so great time for you. You need to take care of your health. You need to take care of your relationship also, and career-wise also. Try not to take your career for granted during this time. You are going to see that in every work which you are doing, you are going to face the obstacles and the challenges. This is just the negative effect of the solar transit. But you need not to worry. For the meanwhile, for 30 to 45 days, you are going to face this problem. To overcome the challenges and to decrease the intensity of the problem, make sure during the transit you are chanting Hanuman Chalisa at least 3 times. Along with this, chant Ram at least for 24 minutes during the solar eclipse. This will help you out to remove your karma. For Sagittarius people, this solar eclipse energy will not be so great for you. You need to take care of your own health. You need to take care of your family member health also during this time. You may face the domestic problem. You may face a problem in your relationship, problem in your marriage. During this time, try to avoid taking your career for granted because you may face problem in your career. There is a high possibility of a change of a place, and this will be something unexpected or the sudden change of a place. To overcome the challenges, make sure that during the solar eclipse, you are chanting Hanuman Chalisa at least 11 times and try to chant Ram for 24 minutes as per the timing you are living in the country in which you are living. Capricorn, the effect of the solar eclipse will be positive on you. You will be going to notice that you are going to become more goal oriented. You will be full of confidence during this time. This is a great time career wise. If you're looking for a job change, there is a high possibility of a change of a job. There is a high possibility you may start something new if you are into a business. This is great time for the investment. If you're going to put more hard work, then you're going to get the great results during this time. Overall seems like a great time. Your energy will be positive. You will be on high on vibration, and whatever you manifest during this time, your manifestation will come true. To overcome the challenges, make sure during the transit as per the country which you are living into, keep on chanting Ram. This will help you out to overcome. Aquarius, for you, the solar eclipse energy will not be so great. You need to take care of your health. You may face problem in your relationship, in the marriage and the love relationship, as well as make sure that you are not taking your career for granted during this time, because this doesn't seem so great time. You need to be conscious with any type of argument with any family members or the relatives. It seems like that you may face ups and downs in your health also during this time. To overcome the challenges, make sure that daily you are chanting Hanuman Chalisa at least one time continuously for 45 days. This will help you out. Pisces, for you, the solar eclipse energy will not be so positive. You may face a problem in your relationship, argument, irritation, and you may feel like that you are not able to express yourself. You started feeling isolated, or you may feel like unsatisfied within. Career wise also, this will not be so great time. You need to be conscious relationship wise as well as career and the health wise. To overcome the challenges, make sure that you are chanting Hanuman Chalisa at least 3 times daily for 45 days. If you don't know your moon sign, or if you don't know your date of birth, then you have to make sure that during the eclipse, if you're chanting Hanuman Chalisa, this will help you out to remove your karmic blockages, as well as if you're chanting at least minimum 24 minutes during the solar eclipse. If you're chanting Ram, you have to close your eyes, put a timer of 24 minutes and keep on chanting Ram, 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 remembering Lord Hanuman or remembering Lord Surya. This will help you out to remove your karmic blockages, and the intensity of the problem which you may face because of the solar eclipse will going to be decreased. Share this video with your loved one. Thank you.